Hello friends. Welcome to Technicsy, the channel where we discuss the latest trends and news in the world of technology. Are you struggling to install Kali Linux in vmware machine effectively? In this video, I'm going to share how to install Kali Linux on VMware. So, prerequisites to install Kali Linux on VMware Workstation. To install Kali Linux on VMware Workstation, you just need a physical machine, VMware Workstation Pro or Player installed on your machine, and Kali Linux ISO image. 1. A host system with minimum 8 GB of memory, a quad-core CPU, 500 GB of hard drive. 2. VMware Workstation Pro or Player application. 0. Download VMware Workstation. 3. Linux Mint operating system to install on VMware Workstation. Download Kali Linux. How to install Kali Linux on VMware Workstation? Time needed, 30 minutes. How to install Kali Linux on VMware Workstation? 1. First, you need to download the Kali Linux ISO file from the official website. You can download the ISO file from this link, https://www.kali.org/downloads/, then fire up VMware Workstation. Download the VMware Workstation application for your host operating system and install it on your machine. The installation procedure is pretty simple and straight. Open the app after installation. Create a new virtual machine. 2. Select Custom Configuration Wizard. You can choose either typical or custom wizard. We recommend selecting custom if you want to install with all the configurations. If you are okay with default configurations, then go ahead with typical configurations. 3. Select virtual machine hardware compatibility ArcStation 16X, next. Go with the default option if you don't have the choice. 4. Select the operating system media. Select, I will install the operating system later, for an interactive installation. 5. Select guest operating system. 6. Name the virtual machine name and location. Type a name and give the location details. 7. Allocate the processors. Assign the processors, calculate the processor required to run the host machine. Assign the leftover resources to the virtual machine. 8. Allocate the memory for virtual machine. Memory allocation calculation is the same as the processor allocation. Leave sufficient memory for the host system and allocate the remaining memory for the virtual machine. 9. Choose the network configuration. Select any one of the network configurations as per your requirement. 10. Select the I/O controller type. 11. Select disk type. 12. Select a disk type. Select the virtual disk if you have or create one. 13. Select disk capacity. Select the disk size. Selecting a single disk will increase the performance. However, selecting a split disk will help in the disk transfer scenario. 14. Specify virtual disk file. 15. Create virtual machine. 16. Supply Kali Linux ISO image to virtual machine. Download Kali Linux image. Edit the CD, DVD settings and import the downloaded Linux Mint image. 17. Power on the virtual machine. Press the play button to power on the virtual machine. 18. Welcome, Kali Linux virtual machine. You will be treated with a welcome screen on which you will see the option to select the language. Select your language and click continue. 19. Select language. 20. Select keyboard layout. 21. Configure the network for updates. 22. Enter the hostname for your Kali Linux machine. 23. Set up a user account and password. 24. Partition the disk. Select Erase the disk for auto partition. Or select the advanced option to create the custom partition. 25. All files in one partition, recommended for new users. Continue. 26. Finish partitioning and write changes to disk. 27. Select the software packages according to your needs. 28. Installation of Kali Linux in progress. 29. Install the grub bootloader. 30. Select the drive to install grub. 31. The installation procedure of Kali Linux has finished. 32. Reboot virtual machine. Reboot the machine after installation. 33. Log in to the Kali Linux with the user account. 34. Kali Linux desktop after login. Kali main screen. 35. Shut down Kali Linux. This is how you should install Kali Linux on VMware Workstation. We hope this tutorial post will help you in installing Kali Linux on VMware Workstation. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.